就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Hey, welcome back to another Hakka song here on ICRT. I'm Joseph Lin, and this guy is Tito Tang. We actually talked about him before. He comes from a very interesting background, even though he is Hakka, born in Miaoli, but he moved to South America, to Paraguay, when he was very young and grew up there. So a lot of his music mixes in Latin melodies with Eastern instruments, but this one is a little bit different because he misses his hometown so much. In fact, a lot of times when he lives in Central South America, he looks for the shadow of Taiwan, and every time he comes back to Taiwan to visit, he just really wants to stay as long as possible. That's why this song is called Stay, or Duen Diam. Let's hear it right here on ICRT.
很忙想送走我离别 Goodbye My love 害怕何时再见참참 긴 내世界 어선 동한 기에慢慢看世事改变很罕期的梦진짜 돈 댐게 희망 누구 찬스 역겨해 큰게 디포 쓰게 돈 댐 못할 고통 정세야 겐통 빙빙 비대 니겨
从小呢，就随着父母移民到巴拉圭的汤雨欣 Tito Tang， 其实他的歌曲很多都会融合拉丁的曲风哦，跟着我们这些东方乐器来唱出一些客家歌曲。但这次不一样，完全就是东方味。为什么呢？因为他太思念家了。每一次回到台湾来跟亲友相聚，待几天几个礼拜后要回南美洲的时候呢，会非常的依依不舍，所以就写了这首叫《停下》Duen Diam。借由这首歌来唱出他的心声，那或许是常年旅居海外的朋友们，或者是漂泊的你呢，也会有相同的感受，对不对？好，又是一首非常好听的歌曲，我们下次再见喽。I'm Joseph Lin, see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.